What's going on, mi gente? It's your girl, I am Barbie305, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna open up a ring light that I bought about a year ago. Jesus Christ, let me turn this off. Anyways, as some of you know, I went through a lot last year. My dog passed away. I got out of a relationship. I had to move, and moving was just the biggest mission of life. But at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason, because now I love where I'm at. I am so happy in this place. And yeah, I wasn't much in a hurry of opening this ring light, because as some of you know, I have this big glam room, and I have, let me show you guys, I have all these lights available. So this is the ring light, by the way, which my mom is gonna help me open it right now. But anyways, it only took me about 7-8 months to get my house together. I finally feel like it's perfect, so now I want to start making more videos and stuff like that. And let's open it up and see if it was worth it. It'll really be a big help in case I want to do videos in my office or in my bedroom or in my living room and stuff like that. And like I said, since I'm gonna start making more videos now, I guess now is the time to do it. So I'm just talking a lot of shit right now, so let's just get started and I'll be right back. Alright, so let's get started. So if you guys have seen some of my videos, well, I've only had like 5, but yeah, if you guys saw my how to make my bed / bedroom tour, you guys remember Mama Dukes over here. Saluda.
Hola.
So yeah, so now today she's gonna help me open this. Dale, mami. Take over the camera. Okay, yeah. So this is how it comes. I guess that's good that it comes well protected, because I got it from Amazon. So we don't want it to break. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cool. So this is how it comes. Okay. So I guess let's look at this. Okay guys, so this is pretty much all it comes with. I guess we're both gonna figure it out how to set it up, and I'm gonna let you guys what I think of it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I guess these little buttons, ven pa' acá, are to adjust the height. I'm not gonna leave it, I'm gonna leave it like that for now, I guess. Maybe a little higher. This is to make it sturdy, so it does not move. It comes with 2 different kind of lights, I see. I'm gonna try the white at first. estoy haciendo bien. Oh my god, finally, 10 years later, I think we got it. Yeah, so yeah. Alright, next up we have, alright guys, so these are a few of the things we have. Right here we have the stand, the ring light, the bag, my mom. Alright, and let's keep trying to do this. Alright, so again, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, but there's a hole here, so I'm guessing. Alright, so there's a hole in here. Muestra esto, mami. I don't know if you guys could see that little hole. I'm gonna unscrew that a little bit. I'm guessing that's where it goes in. Okay. It's still a little shaky, so I guess that's what this one's for. Okay. Ooh. I don't like how this is moving. I don't know if this is supposed to be moving like that. But oh, okay, I figured it out. All right, so that's that. Then we have okay, I guess this. Right, so I have no idea how this is supposed to go in there, but I'm about to figure it out. Okay. Ooh, I got it. So I'm guessing this is where your camera is supposed to go. I don't know why. Okay, perfect. All right, and it comes with these cables. I guess that's for the phone. Now we're gonna figure it out. Oh, okay, I got it in. And that is that. My ring light. Now I wish I knew which one. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh my god, this is so cool. All right, guys, so let me turn on. And so this is how I would look, you know, without my vanity lights. And now, how freaking cool is this? Wait, this is a lot, but mami, get ponte acá, please. Súbele. Yeah, how cool is that? So, eso es lo máximo.
That's full.
That's the max. You could dim it down. Bájale. No le está bajando. Más. Yeah, so as you guys could see, you could put it to any setting. Súbelo hasta arriba. I freaking love it. It's alright, you guys, and that will be all for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed making it for you guys, and yeah, this is the final result. As I showed you guys already, I am obsessed with it. I can't wait to start making more videos in my office, in my living room, like wherever I can. And I think this is so cool. So I'm sorry, I'm just like obsessed with it. So pretty. Anyways, I actually bought this ring light December 18th, 2019. I got it for $75 on Amazon. This is the Neweer ring light kit, 18/48 centimeters. Right now it's actually going, it's selling for $74. You guys know I love to give you guys my little secrets of where I get my stuff. I actually had a friend tell me she got one of these ring lights and it was like tiny, and she spent like $60 on it, and I was just like, it blew my mind. I was like, what, you bought? Anyways, so if you guys like videos like this, let me know what you guys would like to see about myself, about my life, what kind of videos you would like to see. And yeah, I haven't done this in a while, so I kind of forgot what to say. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh my god. Oh, comment. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, I cracked myself up. Oh my god. All right. Yeah. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will hope to see you guys on my next video. Mwah.